Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 383 V8. This iconic muscle car has returned with a fresh twist, and we'll be taking a close look at the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing to see if it's worth the hype. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Chevelle is a stunning blend of classic muscle car design with a modern twist. The bold, aggressive lines of the Chevelle have been preserved, but with updated styling elements that give it a sleeker, more refined look. The front fascia features a wide grille design that is immediately recognizable. The hood has those signature power bulges, giving the car an unmistakable presence on the road. The headlights are sleek LED units providing a modern look, but they still maintain that retro muscle car vibe. Moving to the side, you'll notice the sculpted curves, particularly along the fenders and doors, adding to the aggressive stance of the car. The 20-inch wheels are wrapped in performance tires, giving the car a perfect blend of performance and style. At the rear, you'll find a sculpted rear bumper with integrated exhaust outlets and a modern taillight design that still pays homage to the classic Chevelle styling cues. It's bold, it's muscular, and it definitely turns heads. Now, let's take a look at the interior. Step inside and you'll immediately notice how Chevrolet has updated this muscle car to offer a modern, comfortable, and tech-filled driving experience. The cabin is a mix of retro and contemporary design, with a focus on driver comfort and technology. The dashboard features a clean, symmetrical layout with large digital displays flanking an analog-style speedometer. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather with a classic three-spoke design, making it feel like you're behind the wheel of a true muscle car, but with all the modern amenities. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, finished in premium leather with performance bolstering to keep you secure during aggressive driving. A new addition for 2025 is the large infotainment touchscreen at the center of the dashboard, which is equipped with Chevrolet's latest software, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 360-degree camera system for better visibility. There's also a digital instrument cluster that displays important driving data, and the materials throughout the cabin feel premium, with soft tube-top surfaces and well-placed accents in aluminum and wood trim. In terms of space, the Chevelle offers a surprisingly comfortable cabin. While it's clearly a performance-focused vehicle, Chevrolet has made sure there's enough room for both the driver and passengers. The rear seats, although tight for taller passengers, are comfortable for shorter trips, and there's decent trunk space for a weekend getaway. Now let's talk performance. This is where the Chevelle really shines. Under the hood of the 2025 model, you'll find a 383 cubic inch V8 engine, which is a real powerhouse. This engine delivers a thrilling 500 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you the option for a more traditional, hands-on driving experience or a smoother, more efficient ride. The 383 V8 is a naturally aspirated unit, which means it's all about pure power and performance. And boy, does it deliver. The Chevelle is capable of hitting 0 to 60 mph in just around 4.2 seconds, which is incredibly impressive for a car of its weight and design. The sound of the engine is pure muscle car magic, deep, throaty, and unmistakable. On the road, the Chevelle feels tight and responsive, with a well-tuned suspension that balances comfort and performance. The handling is sharp, and the brakes provide excellent stopping power, ensuring you feel in control even when pushing the car to its limits. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through some twisty back roads, the Chevelle feels agile, powerful, and ready for action. When it comes to fuel economy, the Chevelle isn't the most efficient car on the road, but considering its performance capabilities, it's not bad at all. You can expect around 18 miles per gallon in the city and about 24 on the highway, which is a pretty solid figure for a performance-oriented muscle car. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 383V is positioned as a premium muscle car with a starting price of around $65,000. For that price, you're getting a car that combines raw performance with luxury and modern technology. Of course, depending on the trim level and options you choose, the price can climb up to around $75,000 or more, especially if you opt for some of the more advanced packages and features. While this isn't cheap, it's definitely competitive when you consider what you're getting. A high-performance muscle car with stunning looks and top-tier technology. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 383V is an absolute masterpiece. It pays homage to its roots with classic muscle car design, but it incorporates enough modern touches to make it a standout in today's automotive landscape. The performance is incredible, the interior is comfortable and packed with tech, and the exterior design is bold and aggressive. Sure, it's not the cheapest muscle car on the market, but it's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-performance vehicle that delivers both thrills and style. Let me know your thoughts on the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle in the comments below. Do you think it lives up to the legendary Chevelle name? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming car reviews. Thanks for watching.